Crikey. Lions in the ocean? Let's talk about home base. Right then, let's get straight into it. I've got a question for you, a real thinker. Do lions live in the ocean? Go on, have a ponder. You might be thinking, Steve, you've been out in the sun too long, mate. And you'd be right. A lion in the ocean? It'd be about as happy as a crocodile in a freezer. It just wouldn't work. That big, beautiful, furry cat belongs on the African savanna, not doggy paddling next to a great white shark. That place, the savanna, that's its home address, its turf, its stomping ground. In the world of wildlife, we call that a habitat. A habitat is simply the natural home or environment of an animal, plant, or other organism. Think of a polar bear. You won't find him wandering through the Amazon rainforest, will you? No way, mate. His habitat is the freezing Arctic with all that ice and snow. He's built for it. That thick white coat keeps him warm and helps him blend in. A cheeky little clownfish like our mate Nemo has a sea anemone as its habitat, a living, stinging apartment complex. A kangaroo with those big, powerful legs calls the Australian outback home. You wouldn't find one trying to hop up the Rocky Mountains of Canada. Understanding an animal's habitat is the very first step to understanding the animal itself. Alright, so we know a habitat is an animal's address. But what does it do there? That, my friends, is its niche. If the habitat is the office building, the niche is the job description. It includes what it eats, who eats it, when it's active, how it interacts with others. The whole shebang. Let's go back to our lion on the savanna. His habitat is the savanna, sure, but his niche? He's a top predator. His job is to hunt large herbivores like zebras and wildebeest. He's also mostly active at dawn and dusk. That's part of his niche too. A giraffe lives in the same habitat, but its niche is completely different. Its job is to be a high-level herbivore, munching on the leaves at the very top of the trees that no one else can reach. It's a beautiful, intricate role that no other animal in that habitat does in quite the same way. Now things get really interesting when two animals have similar jobs. This is called niche overlap. When the niches of two different species overlap, they start competing for the same resources. The more their niches overlap, the more they are going to butt heads. Some animals have a very wide or broad niche. Think of a raccoon. These little bandits are generalists. They can live in a forest, a suburb, or a city. A lion, on the other hand, has a narrower niche. It's a specialist. You won't find a lion adapting to eat leftover pizza and live in a city drainpipe. When two species with similar niches live in the same area, the competition can be fierce. The bird that is slightly better at finding seeds will have an advantage. This is called the competitive exclusion principle. If two species have the exact same niche, they cannot live together in the same habitat forever. Animals have evolved brilliant strategies to avoid conflict. One is resource partitioning. 5 different warbler species divide the tree into different feeding zones, one at the top, another on outer branches, a third near the trunk. They're all living in the same habitat but using it in slightly different ways, keeping the peace. It's like a wonderfully organized potluck dinner. Another strategy is character displacement. 2 competing finch species evolve different beak sizes over time. One develops a larger beak for big seeds, the other a smaller beak for tiny seeds. They've carved out new, non-overlapping niches. It's nature's way of saying, there's room for everyone if we just get a little creative. And isn't that a beautiful thought? Now get out there and explore this amazing world. And don't forget to be kind to all its critters. Woohoo! Like this video, comment below, and subscribe to Study Hour for more amazing nature content.